Yeah. Yeah.
Is calming your mind? What is that process like for you?
Well, I used to actually visualize, like, you get in a trade, you hear the ding or whatever sound that your trade ladder gives you, and then ding, ding, and all of a sudden you're stopped out in like 10 seconds. And I would just, okay, I just took a stop out, and I was, lost $200 if you're trading two contracts, let's say. And okay, just breathe. All right, I just lost $200. And then I would actually place the trade. That was just visualizing. Then I would actually place the trade, and there are very few trades that actually get you in and then stop you out immediately. And so most of the time, your worst case scenario of being stopped out is not realized. So those kind of like negative visualizations I found were helpful for me to kind of accept the loss and be comfortable with the dollar amounts, in the size that I would be trading.